Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to pay PaySafeCard on Eneba. If you want to do this, then make sure you watch this video till the end because it's really easy thing to do just by following my videos. Go to Eneba website. Okay, so here we are, and log in into your account. You will see this option to log in on the top right. So just go and log in here, and once you're logged in here, you will need to create one if you don't have an account, which is really easy. Now you have to select your products. So browse through the available games or digital products and select the one you wish to purchase. So let's say that I will go for this GTA one, right? The price could be different in your country, right? So let's say I'll just go and select your GTA, right? This GTA 5. Now here you will get this option 3 here. So let's say I will just buy this normal one. You can see the price is almost same. I can buy with my PayPal, or I can buy with a different kind of payment options here, which you can see here. I will just go and click on proceed to checkout. Now click on the shopping cart icon to view your selected items. Once you are ready to purchase, click on the checkout button. During the checkout process, look for the payment option, select Pay Safeguard. Right in here, you can see I don't have this option Pay Safeguard because it's not available in my country, right? So in your case, you will see, for example, in your country, I'm sure that you guys don't have UPI, right? Because this is only available in my country, right? Same goes for you guys. In your country, if Pay Safeguard is available, then you will find this option, right? And note that there have been reports indicating that PaySafeCard may not be available as a payment option on Eneba anymore. So it's worth checking if this option is currently supported. Of course, if there is, then it's good. If there is not, then it's fine. If PaySafeCard is available, you will prompted to enter your PaySafeCard voucher code. Make sure to enter it accurately. After entering your code, confirm the transaction and complete your purchase. So if you don't have a PaySafeCard, then you can just do the payment with PayPal. You can use a Visa, and Visa has a one extra edge that they have easy refunds. Right. So this is it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.